Good morning, students. I am Rajkumar Mishra, working as a lecturer in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, we will read how to write the steps in a C program. Basic steps to write a C program. Right? So to write a C program, first of all, we have to write two header files, that is hash include stdio.h and hash include unio.h. To improve the readability of the C program, we have to write two header files, that is hash include stdio.h, hash include unio.h. Then every C program must have void main. As you know, main is a function. According to the rules of the function, every function name must be followed by a pair of parentheses. Then opening curly bracket. After giving the opening curly bracket, we have to determine how many numbers of variables will be required according to the program. That means if the program will be to add two numbers, then we have to take two variables. That means two input variables. That means variable, we have to declare variable declaration according to the need of the program. Then we have to input those variables. So how to input? By using scanf statement. After inputting those variables, then you have to do the processing statement. So what do you mean by processing statement? That means in this part you have to write the logic of the program. That means how to solve the program, the way or the procedure. You have to write the processing statement paragraph. After processing, we have to give the output statement. So in C programming language, you have to give the output statement by using printf statement. So here the scanf is the input function and printf is the output function. So then the closing curly bracket. So this is the basic scenario to write a common C program. Suppose to add two numbers. This is the program we have to write to add two numbers. So to write this program, as you know, we have to write two header files, hash include stdio.h and hash include unio.h, right? Then void main, opening curly bracket. So this first variable declaration. So the question is to add two numbers. In this part, we have to declare two variables. That means we have to decide which type of variables we need. The variable may be integer type. So if the variable is integer type, the data type will be int. If the variable will be decimal type, the data type will be float likewise. Right? Suppose I need to add two integer variables. So in this variable declaration line, I would write int a b. That means here A and B is the input variable. So after adding A and B, the result definitely will be stored in a output variable. Suppose the output variable is C. That means here A and B is input variable and C is the output variable. So this is variable declaration line. Then what we have to do? Input the variable. So how to input? By using the scanf statement. So the syntax for scanf statement is scanf, opening curly bracket, opening inverted comma. Here we have to write the format specifier of the input variables. So here we have the input variable A and B. So A and B is in integer type. As you know, format specifier for integer type is %d. So here %d, because two input variables, one is A and another is B. So %d for A, this %d for B, close inverted comma, next comma. Then write addresses of variables %a, %b, close and semicolon. This is the scanf statement. Here in this line, two variables A and B will be inputted, right? Then come to processing statement. So here processing means what? We have to add two numbers. That means we have to add A with B. So the processing statement will be A plus B. That means here A will be added with the value of B. So as you know, we have taken the output variable is C. So the addition result of A and B will be shown in the output variable, that is called C. That means the processing line will be C equal to A plus B and a semicolon. Then next, output statement. That means we have to print the output statement. So how to print? Now by using printf statement. So we have to write the printf statement by following the proper syntax, that is printf. So printf statement for what? For C. So C is which type? Integer type. The format specifier of integer is %d. That means %d is the sum, close, comma, and the output variable will be C. And then finally closing curly bracket. So this is the common procedure to write any C program.